ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that are written down.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I hope you're all well, guys. Now, no, it's not the reveal of my new vehicle, it's a POV video on my EP3 Typer. That's right, point of view video on my EP3 Typer. Stay till the end because I'm going to mention what the giveaway is. I did say 500 subscribers, I'm going to give away something, so stay to the end and I'll tell you what the prize is. Let's go, guys. And we're live, guys. Like I said, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right guys, so I've just picked up a friend and he wants to enjoy some of the VTEC as well, so we'll get his opinion on what he thinks when VTEC kicks in. Yo. I hope you guys are enjoying the video so far. I know you're loving the VTEC. The sound of this car is just amazing. What do you think?
Smart.
So you've been in a Type R before?
First time.
First time. Never experienced VTEC?
Never. This is gonna be my first. See what all the fuss is about.
I think you'll be surprised.
Not saying nothing yet.
And what vehicle do you drive?
535D.
So you're a diesel man.
I am indeed.
Have you ever had a petrol car?
Does a course account?
It's a petrol.
Yeah. There you go. That's addicting, that is.
See how the induction kit
Sounds
sucks in the air?
Sounds well mad. Do it again. Bloody hell. That's mad. So that's what VTEC's all about, yeah?
Yes, correct. That is VTEC. The VTEC kicks in at 6,500 RPM.
So what does it rev to?
This car revs to 9,000 RPM.
9,000?
9,000, that's correct.
What?
Yeah, it is quite mad. It's a brilliant engine, 4-cylinder petrol engine.
So what is it, a 2.5, 2 litre, what is it?
It's a 2 litre, but it'll give a 2.5 a good run for its money.
Yo, it's not bad for a 2 litre now.
Like I said, it's a brilliant engine. You've got to look after the engine, service. Also, just to put in here, don't forget to do a gearbox service as well. It's always good to keep the gearbox healthy.
Why is your car so much louder than other Civics which I've seen?
Everybody has different setups. I obviously have the Tegiwa induction kit, probably one of the best induction kits you can get for these cars.
Oh, is that what that's sticking out there?
Yeah, the scoop.
Oh, you can actually hear that, you know.
And then I've got the HKS exhaust as well.
That sounds sweet.
But I've got a lot more plans for this car coming soon.
Goes alright around the corners, doesn't it?
Yeah, actually, there's no body roll, to be honest.
It's a light car.
It's a very light car. Just the way the car screams when it hits VTEC.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
That is very addictive, that is.
It's just the sound of the car. It sounds mad.
It doesn't get boring.
No, it doesn't get boring at all.
I'm impressed, very impressed. Next car maybe.
Well, coming from a diesel to a petrol, it's a very fun car. Like you said, it's not boring at all.
I do love the way they look. They look very stealthy, especially in this one, black.
Yeah, mine's obviously fully blacked out.
Got tints as well over here.
Tint, sun strip. I think the cosmic grey look really nice as well.
Oh yeah, I think I know which one you mean. Yeah, there's a local one flying as well. Nah, I prefer black.
It's black does
Stealthier.
look good.
Yeah.
And I've got spacers on mine as well, so it's something different.
I'm liking the red interior. That's different.
Yeah, obviously mine's a Premier Edition, so you get the red carpet. You also get the Recaro seats as well.
Oh. Yeah, I think Premier Edition is the way forward.
Yeah, Premier Edition is the way forward. If you've got the money, then go out and buy a Premier Edition sidecar. Right guys, I hope you enjoyed the POV video of my EP3 Type R. I know my friend who's never experienced VTEC loved it. VTEC is absolutely mad, crazy. He loved it, he's never experienced it. These cars are brilliant. Not only the car, the engine, VTEC, everything about them is absolutely fantastic. Now let me tell you about the giveaway. To enter the giveaway, you need to be subscribed to the channel and follow me on Instagram. What I'm giving away is a Project N merch and £100. That's correct, £100. I will reveal the winner on the next video, which is the reveal of my brand new car, which you've all been waiting for. So don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon guys.